She didn't know she was dying for history, a small stray dog. From the cold streets of Moscow, Laika, the first living creature to leave Earth. They said she was perfect for space. Calm, quiet, obedient. But what they didn't say was that she would never come back. November 3rd, 1957. Engines roared, the sky opened, and the little dog from Earth was gone. For hours, her heartbeat raced faster and faster until silence. They called her a hero, but Laika never knew she was dying for glory. She just wanted to go home.